Hi guys! Cougar Dark Blader X5 RGB. It comes with 3 Vortex VK120 ARGB fans. It is a mid-tower case with a side window. Let's see how it looks. Here is the front. We have some mesh for ventilation, so all fans can suck from there. The side window, the back side. You can mount a graphics card vertically in here. The not so interesting back side. And the top of the case, where you have 3 USB ports, one of which is Type-C. Also, you have places for 240mm and 320mm fans, and of course you can mount radiators there. It should be fine for 25 or even thicker fans there. And we have a magnetic filter and the ARGB fans themselves. 320mm fans, and you can mount 340mm too, with appropriate radiator possible. If you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, the plastic in front is translucent, so you can see the fans blinking. And let's see the inside. The window is mounted on metallic frame, which makes installing it easier. And the inside seems rather spacious. You have the motherboard mountings pre-installed, so you won't need to lose time to mount them, which is typically quite tedious. Here you can mount 2 SSDs with the appropriate cutouts for cable. And the cutout here is for probably 25 to maybe 32 centimeter radiator, but not the larger 38mm. On the back side, a large cutout for mounting cooling cutouts for cables, and another 2 places to mount SSDs. A lot of cables, and most importantly a controller for the fans, which is powered by SATA, and you can probably use the motherboard to pass the lighting effects to this. Your regular leaflet and some screws. You even get 2 additional brackets. Bye!